The Adam Smith Awards Asia are recognised as the industry benchmark for best practice and innovation in corporate treasury. Throughout this dedicated series, we take a deep dive into each of the winning solutions of 2021 in conversation with the creators themselves.
Hello, I'm Sophie Jackson, Joint Publisher and Head of Strategic Content at the Treasury Today Group. In this episode, we take a look at the overall and highly commended winners of the Best New Technology Solution category. This new category for 2021 addresses the emergence of digitisation. We've heard much about the fintech revolution, open banking, AI, big data analytics, robotics, APIs, blockchain, and other distributed ledger technologies. We look at companies which have moved beyond the proof of concept stage and are now using one or more of these emerging fintech digital solutions. And the overall winner for Best New Technology Solution is Randy Yu, Group Treasury VP at Alibaba Group. Congratulations there to all of our winners.
Hi, I'm Randy O, Treasury Vice President of Alibaba Group. I am the overall winner of the Best New Technology Solution Award. Our project name is Blockchain-based Cross-Border Real-Time Payment Solution. Winning Adam Smith Award shows our project expertise and also the Treasury maturity because they have reached a certain level of standard among peers. As you know, we are winning the New Technology Solution Award. And everybody knows that adapting the new technology takes risks. So the award winning is really grateful for us because we know that our new solution work, our new technology work, and the risk and uncertainty go along with us is finally overcome by us. So I personally very proud that we are able to win this new Best Technology Award. And also, I'm very proud of my team who work day and night, work very hard to achieve such milestone and has been recognized by industry standard. And 2 years ago, I have been told in many conferences, many times, that the blockchain can be a good solution to resolve treasurers' pain points. And I was told by the fintech company, I was told by the industry leaders, but I found that most of us are talking about only the concepts, but there's no one really bring up the product or services based on the blockchain in real use. So at that time, I actually feel that we cannot just talk about a concept. We actually need to do the real thing and make it happen. So I go to find the Citibank and Ant Group, and we invite them to join us in this bold project where we try to create something, make our cross-border payment instant, just as convenient as our domestic payment. So that's where that we come to think of this project, and we started doing it 2 years ago, and we achieved several milestones, and finally, these results is good enough to win the award. We started by a prudent process, but with a bold goal. We set up a few dimensions of criteria to guide the project team. The 4 key dimensions I have given to them is real, legal, secure, scalable. And what do we mean by real? Because I want this solution to be real, right? It cannot just on the paper. It has to be, I send the money cross-border and the party who received the money can use that money right away. So that's real time. So the second is legal, because we need to make sure all this new technology run under the appropriate legal and accounting environment. So we are not challenging any current legal and accounting environment. We want to make sure our new solution works under the current regulation. Third, secure. We want to make sure this cross-border payment, all the data embedded are secure, and people who using it is comfortable, and they know that their data transmission is under the best industry security standard. Finally, scalable. We do not want these solutions only for us. We want to pilot this solution, and once we find it is really usable and it is really good, we hope everybody can really use it. This everybody include not only ourselves, but also all the industry players. It includes not only our pilot bank, Citi, but also all other banks. It also includes not only our pilot country or cities like Hong Kong and Singapore. We want more countries to be involved. Finally, we start with the US dollar, but we want in the future more currency to be involved. And in fact, in our current milestones, we have achieved a lot more cities and multiple banks and go beyond internal entities, and we can pay to the external entities, and we have a few currency already included. I think the main learnings for this project are two. The first one, I think the innovation or digitalization or transformation, those buzzwords we heard a lot, itself might not resolve the business problem. I think we need to make sure those new technology, those new ideas can be really down to earth to resolve our business problem. So in the example of our cross-border instant payment, we use the latest technology, blockchain technology, but we not just talk about it and not just talk about the concept, we really bring it to life. So I think it's important for first learning for all of us that those innovation, transformation are good, but we need to make sure it delivers the real business result. And second, main learnings we have is that it's important to prototype the new ideas into the product and service quickly, and then we can either see the result and expand it, fine-tune it, or if it doesn't really work, finally, we drop it quickly. So do not drag for the perfect solution or wait for sufficient resources, because that's difficult to obtain for any treasury in the current environment. So we always need to work under the constraint and be able to think out of the box and try this innovation and prototype of the new ideas.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hello, I'm Vanessa Xu. I'm in Citi China, TTS department. I'm the corporate sales head in China. So I'm quite happy to introduce the Alibaba Ant blockchain co-creation solution to you. So we win the Adam Smith Award New Technology Solution in 2021. So it's quite our appreciate to share the story here. So the blockchain cross-border payment co-creation solution among Alibaba Ant and the Citi, and it's newly announced several months ago. So we're quite happy with this result. Through a co-creation process, Alibaba and the Citi develop an instant 24/7 blockchain-powered cross-border payment solution using accounts in Citi, Singapore, Hong Kong, and the US, with Ant Group being the designed blockchain service provider. Among other features, the solution offers intelligent payment routine, beneficiary account validation, real-time liquidity monitoring, and FX integration. The solution aims to instantly transfer liquidity on a 24/7 basis across 4 countries in 7 currencies. In this January, the transaction value hits $10 billion, and now we complete a payment value for 63 billion up to this October. 4 dimensions to demonstrate the Alibaba and Citi apply best practice in the industry: real, legal, secure, and scalable. Alibaba outlined an ambitious vision to co-create a real, legal, robust, and scalable platform with Citi. Their aim was to establish an open blockchain platform that can enable all forms of B2B payments, including intercompany, merchant settlement, supplier payments, etc., and transform the payment ecosystem to the benefit of the community. The solution is an example of thinking beyond what is done today by embracing new technology to create broader impacts. To leverage traditional wisdom, but dare to go beyond under a great vision with disciplinary process involving product, tech, FX, legal, compliance, risk, regulators, etc. With the milestones achieved, we would like to share these learnings and the results with industry peers for common benefits. Once the blockchain payment solution is utilized in merchant settlement flows, thousands of end SME micro-business that connected in Ali ecosystem may enjoy the instant and secure settlement service. And this may be expected to scale to the industry to benefit to the community and the society.
Next up, we have our first highly commended award in this category. We've got 2 highly commended winners this year in this category, and the first is HB Singh, Chairman and Managing Director at Satin Creditcare Network.
Hi, I'm Aditi Singh, Head of Investor Relations and Corporate Communications at Satin Creditcare Network Limited. Satin is one of India's leading microfinance companies which serves the diverse financial needs of customers, especially women, and believes in building progressive opportunities for the less privileged sections across rural, semi-urban, and urban areas of the country. We are currently catering to more than 3 million women with 1,279 branches in 23 states of India. Satin has continuously thrived by adopting digital innovations that are customer-centric. Through our technology-integrated processes, we have built robust digital capabilities to serve millions of customers across the social spectrum. Our sector is actually a high touchpoint business wherein we are required to meet our clients every fortnight and we do our collections in cash in person. However, we still were the first in the sector to go ahead and build our own technology, which was the loan management system or LMS, wherein we have automated the entire data that is happening across and we can monitor it from sitting anywhere across the world. We also did not stop only at LMS but also developed our customer service app, our website payment gateway, and we also got ISO for information security. So we can very proudly say that we have many firsts to our credit, and Satin remains dedicated to technology. With the aim of delivering a unique, hassle-free and effective loan repayment experience along with simplifying the internal processes, we came up with the idea of implementing unified payments interface, which we understand as UPI, AutoPay, for which we work with HSBC, our banking partner. The UPI AutoPay solution allows Satin to collect funds seamlessly from our borrowers via automated EMI debits. To do this, Satin uses real-time APIs for mandate registration, which sends a mandate creation request to the borrowers. Borrowers then simply make a one-time authorization by completing the registration mandate using Satin's application interface. Any subsequent EMI installments are then seamlessly debited digitally. This was a unique case of many firsts for both Satin and HSBC, Satin being the first MFI in the country to do so, and HSBC being the first international bank to partner for such a cause. The biggest challenge was, of course, the high-touch business and the lockdowns, because of which we were unable to reach our clients. We could not talk to them, we could not teach them, we could not educate them how to use this technology. And our segment is actually the bottom of the pyramid. So probably these women are not the most technology savvy. However, we would like to thank our boys, our feet on street, who really made it happen. And with this grit and resolve, we could implement this across the spectrum of our branches and states. The biggest learning point was, of course, that if you remain dedicated to a cause, you will always find means to make it happen. We take pride in the fact that Satin has been recognized as the forefront of innovation and for bringing UPI AutoPay into the microfinance industry by such a renowned industry awards program, that is Adam Smith Asia 2021. It's not just an honor but also a motivation to build more in our new age of digital architecture in the future. Thank you so much, Treasury Today Asia, for acknowledging us with the prestigious Adam Smith Award 2021 in the category of highly commended winners in the New Technology Initiative.
And now it's time for a word from their partner.
Hello everyone, I'm Siddharth Rungta. I head the Global Liquidity and Cash Management business at HSBC India, based out of Mumbai. UPI AutoPay, that is recurring payments on UPI, was a relatively new addition by the National Payments Corporation of India to the payments infrastructure in the country. Hence, when our client Satin Creditcare network wanted to leverage this development and approached HSBC to come up with a solution for real-time recurring digital collection for loan EMIs, we worked very closely with both Satin and NPCI to design the end-to-end solution for setting up e-mandates seamlessly via the UPI AutoPay functionality. Since this was a market-first solution for a microfinance company like Satin, we also partnered with them to ensure rigorous UAT testing done by covering all scenarios to ensure the user experience is not impacted. We also worked with them on creating a plan and content towards educating their frontline staff in remote areas of the country, who could in turn educate borrowers to adopt this mode of paying EMIs. The most important elements of this winning solution would be enhanced borrower experience, the ease and convenience on account of reduced transaction time, and fewer in-center meetings, which means lesser involvement of their frontline staff in collections. This also ties up with clients' aim to digitize the end-to-end journey for the borrowers by leveraging on digital technology. The other element I would like to call out that given we actually rolled this solution out during the COVID pandemic phase, this also helped support social distancing guidelines where the borrowers could actually repay their loans in a secure and contactless manner. And last but not the least, for any collection solution, this ensured real-time access to funds for better treasury management at Satin, and also delivers significant cost benefits, time and effort savings on account of reduction in the resources needed to manage collections and reconciliation.
And now we have our second highly commended award winner. The second highly commended winner is Alfred Saw, Director of Credit Management, Credit Risk and Arrears Management at Singapore Telecommunications Singtel. Here to tell us more about Singapore Telecommunications' winning solution is their partner Citi.
Hi, I am Cho Siang Bee. I'm the Global Solution Sales with Treasury and Trade Solutions Citibank. Citi is the partner bank of Singtel, and both organizations benefited from an aligned collective vision of digital transformation, automation, and process efficiency, with a core goal to provide a delightful client experience journey and to generate direct positive impact to the underlying business. With the onset of the pandemic and working from home setting, Singtel and Citi have demonstrated high level of digital mindset, strong collaborations, resourcefulness, and commitment in formulating and executing clear blueprint and clear set of project and time-linked initiatives to ensure the success of the project deliverables undertaken by various stakeholders. Our solution leveraged the technological investments in Citi Connect API and instant payments, which Citi has done in the last 18 to 24 months to better deliver efficiencies to our clients. Another achievement to our synergy here is a robust foundation and a sustainable path to enable our clients in their next digital journey.
A huge congratulations to all our Adam Smith Awards Asia 2021 winners. Thank you for listening to this episode of our dedicated Adam Smith Awards Asia podcast series, brought to you by the Treasury Today Group. More episodes will be coming soon featuring other award-winning solutions, so please subscribe to our channel so you can stay updated wherever you get your podcasts from.